So yun mga paps, ito po yung Suzuki Raider Reborn at CBR version 2 FI. Gamitin natin yung MTX car shampoo. Both are 5 years old already. Tapos pagkatapos ng shampoo is itong MTX Nano Gloss. So ayun, you'll see, medyo maulan dito sa Mindanao ngayon, so expected marumi. Sticker lang po yan. Yan, safe din sa akin. Tara, washing tayo, dalawa laban sa isa.
I think I'll last a bit longer. Find another reason to breathe this air. And now we made for ourselves. This won't be the last time. Oh, never in my life have I seen the sky light up like this. I'm far away from Earth and I wanna know if you exist. Mission control, do you read me? Send me my coordinates lately. Mission control, am I drifting? Tie me to someone who will love me, yeah. I knew it when I met you, I'm not the only one who's alone. Find me soon and take me home. I knew it when I saw you, I'm not the only one hanging on. Tie me to someone who will love me. Oh, never in my life did I wanna see you more than this. And every time you're lost, I wonder if you know you're missed. I'm breathing when I can, and I only hope you're watching this. I hope you know that I exist. Mission control, do you read me? Send me my coordinates lately. Mission control, am I drifting? Tie me to someone who will love me, yeah. I knew it when I met you, I'm not the only one who's alone. Find me soon and take me home. I knew it when I saw you, I'm not the only one hanging on. Tie me to someone.
So ayun mga paps, katapos lang magtanggal ng alikabok, medyo okay na rin siya. Yung MTX car shampoo pa rin ito. Sunod natin yung ito, MTX Nano Gloss, pangtanggal ng hairlines na gasgas. Ulitin ko lang ulit, 5 years old na po itong unit ko, Raider 150 Reborn at CBR 150.